Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. Today I'm gonna be doing a play around with some makeup that I haven't shown you guys before. We're gonna do a fancy Valentine's Day look, hopefully. And today I'm gonna be doing my eyes first, and I'm gonna be using the tape method. And I kind of just want to do everything different today. So I am going to zoom you in and we'll get right to it. Okay, we're here. I've got some tape. All right, well, I feel super weird. I'm going to get a bit of concealer on my eyes, blend that out. Dabba, dabba, dabba. Then I'm going to take a little dense unicorn brush and we're going to set that with the usual City Mini color, the lightest one in the palette. And I'm gonna use the peach shade right underneath that as my first transition color. And I'm gonna keep it just at the top in the crease and up to my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go into my Avon palette and I'm going to take this light brown color with a crease brush and I'm going to get a little bit packed on the end. And I'm putting this literally just in the crease, barely touching it. Now I'm going to use the same brush that I just used on the dark brown. And to be different, I'm going to go into the gold shade right here and throw a little shimmer in the crease. All right, now I'm gonna go back to the unicorn brush and I'm going to just blend up by the brow bone. Make sure that's nice and smooth. Now, what I'm gonna do is dampen a packing brush here and I'm going to go into this color. It is kind of a dark, shimmery red burgundy. Hope you can see that. And this is a loose pigment shadow called a Ganondorf by Shiro Cosmetics. That's probably backwards and blurry, but you get it. And I'm going to pack this on the lid just up to the crease. And this is why we're doing the tape method. Then I'm just gonna grab my crease brush here and go back in with a bit more of this gold. And we're going to smooth out these edges. So this pigment is not showing up as red as I want it to. I'm gonna put that away. And I'm gonna go into the deep pink from the City Mini palette. And I'm gonna get this on my finger and I'm just gonna kind of tap this over because this is looking a little more black than burgundy. Like, it is just in no way blending out the color I want it to be. So we're just gonna brighten this up with a little pink over top. So we're working with what we got. You know what? That ain't half bad. Next thing I'm gonna do, wow, this got real dark. That is muddied right up. I'm gonna try to fix that. All right, so this was basically my first impression on this color from Shiro Cosmetics. It looks so pretty and so burgundy in here, and it blended away to black, to gross. It blended away to gross. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm not taking all this off and starting over again. I'm gonna go in with my Ben Nye Luxe powder in Aztec Gold. I'm gonna take another dampened packing brush and I'm just gonna go up just to create a lighter transition between that pink and this gold, and it will hopefully end up looking a little iridescent. And I'm just packing this on the crease. And now we are left with a sort of iridescent metallic pink and gold looking sparkle transition, whatever I'm doing to my face. I swear to God, this Ben Nye Gold is a freaking lifesaver. I've used this in so many looks to fix things that went wrong with crappy products or just, you know, weird skin, anything that didn't end up mixing well. This just brightens everything up and somehow manages to fix everything that went wrong. So this has turned into an elaborate Valentine's Day smoky eye, but you know what? C'est la vie, c'est bon. I'm going to take a tiny eyeliner brush and I'm gonna go into my gel pot liner, and this is a brown with gold flecks in it, and I'm just gonna do a really super thin line and just smudge that into the lash line. And we got ourselves a little wing here. Alrighty, so now that that's all well and done, let's remove this tape. Before I get the rest of my face on, I'm just going to blend out this harsh edge here. Alrighty, I did it. I made it through getting my eyes done first. Now let's do the rest of the face. I'm gonna start out with my NYX primer. This is the silicone pore filler, and I'm just gonna put this on my nose, in here, and blah blah blah. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is the matte and poreless, and I am in, at the moment, I need to get a lighter shade, but currently 120 Classic Ivory. Now I'm gonna conceal some spotties, highlight, and get rid of these under eyes, and I'm using the Infallible Pro Glow. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and get this under eye set. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this big fluffy powder brush with whatever's left in the lid and just set the rest of my face. All right, let's finish up these eyes. So I'm going to use another angled brush. This one is from Crown, that pink again, from the City Mini palette. And I'm going to push this into the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna get a little more on here and just on the edge, press that up to the wing. And then just to tie it all together, I'm gonna take the same brush with a little bit of pink on it, and I'm gonna grab just a bit of gold from the dust in the cap here, and then I'm gonna go from the front and work its way out to smoke the lash line. We're gonna finish this up so I can put my glasses back on, and I'm gonna go in with the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Fierce! Okie dokie pokey. I can see! Now for the face, a fluffy Crown blush brush, and I'm going to use this to go in with just a little, the tiniest bit of bronzer. Next, I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my face powder, and I'm going to go in with the Revlon blush in Tickled Pink, and it's got kind of a gold shimmery finish, and we're just going to pop that on the high ends of the cheek. I'm going to take a Crown crease brush. And we're going to go back into the Avon palette for a minute, and we're going to go into the shimmery champagne color. And I'm just going to use this, my brow bone, and the inner corners of my eyes. Lastly, we got 2 more things left. So, lastly, we're gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is the new one in Rose Gold. And actually last, lips. And I'm gonna go in with a couple lip glosses. So the first one we have is from my Pro Kit Luxury Gloss, and this is in the shade Pale Petal, and it is a kind of bright dark. What am I saying? It's the darker of the 2 shades, and it's a bright pink. And then I'm gonna take Avon Glazewear, and this one is in Soft Peach. And there you have it. This is our finished look for today. I'm so glad it didn't end in as much disaster as I was imagining when I first saw how that loose pigment was going onto my eyes. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're as lazy as any average person, this guy, you can just wait around till the end screen and then click on my face.